So 1.7 is talking about a transformation of functions. Shift up, down, shift left, right, rotation around the x-axis and the y-axis, okay? What's mean transformation? Means what? Translating function. Shifting or moving graph from one place to another, okay? We know this, right? The straight line, how it looks like, and the constant, how it looks like, absolute value, square root, parabola, cubic, reciprocal. Don't worry about the greatest integer function. It's not going to be applied. So, for example, here, I want to shift some units upward. What should I do?
+2.
Okay, so I'm going to say plus a value, which is plus constant. For example, I have absolute value of x. I want to shift it 2 units up. Then you say +2. I want to shift it 2 units down. -2. I want to shift it up 5 units. I want to shift it down 10 units.
-10.
No.
You want to move it?
We will come this. Right now, up and down, okay? Now, I have parabola. I want to shift it up 3 units.
+3.
+3. Shift it down 3 units.
-3.
Shift it up 2 units.
+2.
+2. Shift it down 5 units.
-5.
Good. Here, I have this is called what? Rationals, huh? I want to shift it down 4 units. -4. So instead of the intercept at 0, 0, where is the intercept now?
-4. 0 -4.
0 -4. Bravo. Very good. Okay. Absolute value. Do you remember the graph? Absolute value starting from 0. I want to shift it 5 units down. So what's the intercept? Y-intercept? 0 -5. Okay. Here I have x -5. Shift down 5 units. Here I have x -4. It shifts what? To the right. How many units? 4. Okay. Yes, because -4. Okay.
There's there's the y-intercept. There's no y-intercept for this. The intercept is in the origin.
Here, it's intercepting here. So there is y-intercept in this case. But in the original one, there is no y-intercept. It doesn't touch it. But in this case, it touches it here. You have to be careful. Next. Absolute value. Now, we come to our friend, what's your name? Khalid. He keeps saying, oh, I want shift right. I want shift left. He's like this. Like this. I want shift right and shift left. So now we're going to shift right and left. Okay. So if I want to shift left, it's going to be the opposite sign. So we're going to say +2 and inside. Okay. Now here I want to shift this to the left 7 units. It's going to be opposite sign. Instead of saying -7, we're going to say +7, and it has to be inside. So if you want to do it inside, you're going to left, right. If you do it outside, up and down. Is this clear?
Yeah, but if you want to put it in the right.
You put it inside.
I know.
And the sign has to be opposite. So if you want to make it to the left, instead of -2, we'll say +2.
That will make it to the.
If you want to make it to the left for the square root, 7 units, to the left, instead of saying -7, +7, inside. If you make it outside, +7, where are you going to go? Up. Okay?
If it's to the right, plus 7 or minus 7?
To the right,
Mm.
negative, inside.
Negative 7.
Okay. Now here is say use shifting to graph the function. F of x equal between parentheses x plus 5 all squared minus 16. So what happened here? What shape is this first? That's a parabola, صح? Yes or no?
Yes.
And negative 16, move it to where? Up or down?
Down.
Down. How many units?
16. Minus 16.
Down.
Yeah, yes.
Now the 5, left or right?
The 5 is left.
Left. Why left, mister? Because it's inside and it makes it to the left. So what shape this will be if you smart? Where is the point? The point that the point in the
Negative 16.
the vertex point. It's going to be how much?
Minus 5.
It will be in U shape.
And minus
It
16.
will be in U shape.
Minus 5 and
Minus 5,
minus
minus 16. Type. Let's check this. Okay. Yeah. We are correct. Okay. So the remaining of that lesson is the same thing. Here I have 2 up, 3 to the right, because it's negative, so. And what will be the intercept? It's going to be how much?
2 and 3.
X is 3 and 2. Okay. Absolute value. Who can tell me?
Minus 3.
Down or up? Down. And how much? Down right, how much? 8. 8. And what is 2? Which makes it what? It makes it like this, or it makes it condensed? It's going to be what? Open or close? Okay. So use the software to teach you. Okay, to understand, teach you understand, because in the exam there is no software. You have to think and decide. Okay, which graph is correct one. Now, if you go through the remaining of those slides, it's very interesting. You can also, there is reflection. See the reflection? When you have negative, see, it said here, negative x, what happened? It does the reflection around the what? The y-axis. Reflection around what? The y-axis. So let's take one slide. Here, what happened if I have negative inside? Reflects around the y-axis. And then another reflection. So, and what about the 4? Let's do the 4 first. Where is the 4 first? Up 4 units. So you go up 4 units. And then what do you do after that? You're going to go which way? You're going to reflect around what? The y-axis. And then reflect around the what? X-axis. Type. فهمت how this get? First, this is the original one. This one is the original one. I shift up how many units? 4. Then the negative is inside. Then I reflect around what? Y-axis. هتبقى كده. وبعد كده negative outside. Reflect around the what? X-axis. اعملها تحت. فهمت؟ If you understand, raise your hand. Okay. So this goes on for the remaining slides. So here you have the practice and you have the questions here. Can you please do it? So we are done today with 1.4, 1.6, 1.7. 1.4 is about relation, function, domain, range, evaluating notation. And 1.7 1.6 about the 7 functions, and 1.7 is about shifting up and down, shifting left and right, reflection around the x-axis and the y-axis. So if you have any questions, please remain in the class. If you don't have, kiss you goodbye. See you next class.
Thank you.